Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, June 27th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. Kind of been like, this is like a broken record for the last 5-6 trading days. As you can see on this profile, since we spiked down back on June 16th, we've done nothing but push lower. We've had attempts at rallies each day that have all failed. We haven't gotten great distance to the downside. The volume hasn't been great, yet price has been going lower. We tested the base of that price spike from June 12th. At some point, this is going to give. We're either going to get, I think, a gap of decent size one way or the other. Either these sellers are going to get serious, we're going to decent gap lower and come out of this inside week pretty good, or vice versa and take out a bunch of shorts with a gap higher. I'd be surprised if this continues much longer. Again, we have Powell tomorrow and Thursday, and then the end of the quarter and half year with PCE on Friday. So hopefully, and that's again before, it's only a regular weekend, but Monday's a half day, so I have a feeling you're going to have a lot of people taking off that Monday going into the Tuesday, July 4th holiday. Hopefully we get some action prior to that. NQ right now, remember, they came out of an inside day to the downside. It was successful, and right now they have an inside week down. They also went out with a double distribution day. They're trading in the lower distribution, and they had a price probe, which right now they're above. Righty, after doing a fantastic job in A period to take back a bunch of reference points, don't take out the IB at all. They're trading now towards the lower end of yesterday. And again, they're in balance right now because they took out yesterday's high. So we'll see if they're coming out of that to the downside. As far as we go, overnight high right now got close to value high, close to our afternoon rally high, and now we're making new lows in the overnight. Remember, we had a price probe, so if we open below G's low, that price probe where there were sellers late yesterday will still be there. So on the game plan, again, we have 75 minutes to go, but depending on where we are, do we gap lower? Whether we gap lower or not, if the gap gets filled, I would look to take a short the first time against the base of the price probe if we're below it on the opening. Okay? We're going to most likely clash with the 20-day moving average if we take out yesterday's low in the SPY. Okay, now we did have a 10-wide point of control. So if this price probe gets rejected, then you have a 16-wide overnight POC for now, and then our 10-wide from yesterday. So any acceptance back inside of yesterday's value, you should go trade at these two levels, and then we'll see if we get up to value high in the afternoon rally high. That would be a decent risk-reward short the first time against the overnight high, value high, and the afternoon rally high if it was to get up there. So again, depending on where the overnight low is, I guess you could attempt to front run it. But again, it depends where it is in the next 75 minutes. As you can see, we're attempting to push lower. And then just on the chart, so here's the weekly, inside week down so far, 3-week balance so far. Market now is pausing after having a nice move to the upside. Is it just a pause, or is it something more where we start taking back a bunch of these weekly lows? And on the daily, one time framing down 5 days. Haven't had that in a long time. I said August last. It was at least from October because I didn't go back prior to October of 2022. So it's been a while since we've one time framed down at least 5 days in a row. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.